In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Shopify order can't be shipped to your location. If customers are seeing this message at checkout, the issue is usually connected to your shipping settings. In most cases, Shopify is not finding a valid shipping option for the customer's address, country, order value, or package weight. The good news is that this is usually quick to fix once you know where to look. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. This is where all of your store settings are managed. From there, go to Settings, then open Shipping and Delivery. In this section, you will see the shipping profiles connected to your products and fulfillment setup. Find the shipping profile you want to review, then click Manage next to it. Once you are inside the shipping profile, look closely at the shipping zones. This is very important because Shopify can only offer shipping to locations that are included in one of these zones. Make sure the customer's country is listed in the correct shipping zone. If that country is missing, customers from that location will not be able to complete their order with shipping. Next, check whether there is at least one shipping method available inside that zone. If no rates are listed, Shopify has nothing to show at checkout, which leads to the shipping error. To fix that, click Add Rate inside the relevant zone and create a shipping option. You can set up the rate based on how you want to charge for delivery, but the main goal here is to make sure at least one valid shipping method exists for that destination. After that, review the conditions attached to your rates. This includes any weight-based or price-based conditions. For example, a rate may only appear if the order is within a certain weight range or meets a minimum or maximum order value. If the customer's order falls outside those conditions, Shopify may block shipping for that location, even if the country is included in the zone. Make sure the conditions match the types of orders you expect customers to place. Once you have confirmed the country, added a shipping rate if needed, and check the conditions, click Save to apply your changes. After saving, test the checkout again using the affected location to make sure the shipping option now appears correctly. That covers everything you need to know.